In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get an NFL Sunday ticket. Let's get started. You have two options, YouTube TV and standalone on YouTube. YouTube TV gives you Sunday ticket plus over 100 live TV channels. Standalone on YouTube, just Sunday ticket without the extra channels. You can navigate to youtube.com/sports or open the YouTube app on a device. Look for the NFL Sunday ticket banner and click Get or Sign Up. Pick between the standard Sunday ticket or Sunday ticket with NFL Red Zone for even more coverage. You can pay all at once or split it into monthly payments. Once you have subscribed, you can watch on your TV, computer, phone, or tablet, live or on demand. Just make sure you are signed into the same account you used to buy it. And that's how to get NFL Sunday ticket. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.